Hello, I'm in a 2005 Subaru Baja, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start. So first open the hood, and then towards the driver's side here we see our battery mounted with our positive terminal and your negative. You can also double check on the battery itself too, because usually there'll be like a negative send by the negative and a positive send by the positive. Next, I check for any corrosion built up, and if there are, take a good brush or rag to clean up that corrosion. After that, I'd make sure these are nice and tight, which if they aren't, you can just tighten them up with these. And at that point then, with your jump box or with your jumper cables, you'll take your metal clamps and then have your positive metal clamp directly to the metal here with as much metal contact as you can get, your negative clamp directly to the metal on the negative clamp terminal as much as you can. And if you're running this to another vehicle, make sure the vehicle is turned on with the motor on, and you've got your positive clamp leading directly to the positive on the other vehicle and the negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You want to make sure you don't cross these by mistake, because that could cause damage to the computer systems, fuses, electronics, things like that. But once you've had them connected for a few minutes or more with a good metal on metal connection, that should give you enough power to get this started. If you've been trying that for quite a while and still not having success, you might need to replace this battery. In which case, if you have to, this is pretty accessible, which you'll just loosen these terminals to remove these terminals, loosen the support brace to lift that out, and then you just pick the old battery up to take it out, set your new battery in, and then just reattach everything nice and tight, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.